Welcome to the Sage Doctor tutorial on how to resolve the error M1701XEC. Hi, I'm Anna. I will walk you through this course. SERVER. Step 1. After the installer has been Windows registered, then try to reinstall Sage 50. Type in CMD to open a command prompt. Type the following commands. MSIEXEC. Take a backup / Windows start, then run type reg edit in the open box, then select OK / highlight my computer or computer select file. After the installer has been re-registered, try to reinstall Sage 50. Then choose a location to save the registry backup. Step 3. Select edit, then find. Take a backup 363 select Windows start type dash edit in the open box dash then select OK highlight my computer or computer dash file then export 94 select all in export range then choose a location to save the registry backup. Select find next. Step 3 all keys name select edit then find type 5 363A-5 F-E-5-B-2-F-5-9-425-B-2494-E-B-2494 in the registry should be deleted. If the key is in another folder named Find Next, all keys named EE-363A-5-423A-51C-429C-8-9C-5-3B-2 in the left pane. Delete the whole folder. A363A in the registry should be deleted. If the key is in another folder named A563A-A5-C-5-E-F-5-1-4-E-F-A-G-9C5 press the F3 key on your 494. Continue searching for the next EF that contains the value in the left pane. Delete the whole folder 363A56EE-EF51 has been dashed. Please subscribe to our channel for more such videos. C5-B2494-DCEFA3E instead. Press the F3 key on your keyboard to continue searching for the next key that contains the value. Hope you learned something new in this video. Please subscribe to our channel for more such videos.